An app I use pretty much daily is Instagram for sure. I'm a very visual person and I find that images and video communicate a lot, and you can definitely make connections through Instagram even though it may not feel as personal because it's not face-to-face like on Facebook.
Instagram I use a ton. I just love the filters on it. You can do a lot of fun things with it, and it has the video feature now. That seems to have a lot of impact on my social media, so I do use that one quite a bit.
In real estate especially, it's interesting because you're taking pictures all the time.
Take a picture of the kitchen, put it out on Instagram. Underneath the description you can put a link to your website. You know, what do you think of this kitchen? Do you like the granite counters, or would you rather have this kind? Give them an and/or, so they have to respond to it, like a call to action. But it's not so much selling them a listing, it's more pull marketing kind of thing. I could go around and take pictures of all the landmarks in town. I could go to the farmers market when they have them in the spring and summer and be a presence there and say, look what they have today at the farmers market. I could go to the tree lighting and take a picture of the tree and say, you know, come on down to the common, they're doing the tree lighting tonight. People like looking at pictures. They don't want to read a lengthy anything, and they don't want to be sold to. But if you position yourself as the local person, they're going to remember what you do.
Even if someone's not looking to buy or sell, they could still be interested in your feed and what you're posting, and it's just like a creative outlet.